All right, guys, you seen that title in the thumbnail, and we got another simple and easy recipe. I already know you got most of these ingredients on deck in your fridge, in your cabinet, in your cupboard, in your pantry, wherever they are. You're gonna love this one here. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chili cheese potato bake. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and do a quick rundown of our ingredients. Over here, we have our potatoes. Took off the skin, diced them up. We have some chili here. Now, you can make your own chili if you want to, or you can use canned chili. I'm using canned chili, diced tomatoes, onion powder, garlic powder, green onions, seasoned salt, chili powder, vegetable oil, black pepper, and we have some shredded cheddar cheese there. So that's all you need. Let's jump into it. All right, guys, first thing we're gonna do is prepare our potatoes. We're gonna hit this boiling water with a little salt. Next, you wanna carefully add your potatoes because you don't want that water to splash up on you. So you wanna carefully add your potatoes to the boiling water. We're gonna bring that back up to boil. We're gonna let it boil for 15 minutes. All right, so we're 15 minutes in. We're gonna shut off our fire. We're gonna get our potatoes drained, and then we're gonna head over to our cutting board. All right, so now at our cutting board, we're gonna take our potatoes. We're gonna add them here to our bowl, along with our chili, our diced tomatoes, our seasoned salt, our onion powder, our garlic powder, our chili seasoning, and our black pepper. And guys, we're gonna go in and get this mixed up gently. Try not to mash up your potatoes. Probably should have let it cool a little bit. Probably would have helped a little bit, but we're fine. All right, we're good right there. I'm gonna move this aside. I'm gonna bring over a baking dish. We're gonna take our olive oil, add it here. Get that baby greased down. We're gonna take our chili mixture. We're just gonna add it here just like this. And we're gonna get this baby spread out evenly. Just like that. Now go ahead and preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We're gonna take our cheese and we're just gonna add it to the top like this. Feel free to substitute whatever cheese you like. I'm using cheddar. A little mozzarella wouldn't hurt on here if you want it. Even a little smoked Gouda, totally up to you. All right, we're gonna stick this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until that cheese is bubbly and golden. Let's get it in the oven. All right, so this is what we have after 25 minutes in the oven. Now guys, we're gonna let it sit here and cool for about 5 to 7 minutes. Then we're gonna come back. All right, so we let this baby cool just a little bit. Now we're gonna add just some green onions, this different kind of green stuff. Typically, you know, we have that parsley on deck. Now take a look at that. That looks beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let's see what this baby about. Man, look at that right there. All right, guys, we're gonna get this baby plated up and headed into quality control. There you have it, guys. Chili cheese potato bake. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control to do a quick taste test. All right, guys, you already know it's quality control time, man. Let's bring these groceries to the front of the congregation, man. Look at them groceries. Yeah, baby. Let's go ahead and get to it. Let's not waste no time. I want a little of that sour cream on there. I want a jalapeno. Oh man, I want some chili. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Very easy, very simple. I know you already got most of these ingredients on deck. And if you don't have canned chili, you can make your own. And the potatoes are so tender. Oh man, definitely one for you to try. So until then, guys, y'all already know who I am. This is always everything. And remember, I'm not chef. I'm just cook a lot. And I'm out. Peace.